Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025 and the job market is more competitive than ever. We're diving into the top platforms to learn coding, marketing, data science, design, and more, all completely free. Whether you're upskilling, switching careers, or diving into something new, this video is your guide to unlocking your potential in 2025. So grab your favorite device and let's get started. First up, we have Coursera, a platform partnering with top universities worldwide to offer a massive range of courses. Want to dive into programming, data science, or business analytics? Coursera has you covered, and the best part is, you learn at your own pace. Next up is edX, another powerhouse in online learning. edX partners with Harvard, MIT, and Berkeley to deliver university-level courses. From cybersecurity to AI and project management, edX offers high-quality education accessible to anyone online. Khan Academy is a pioneer in free online education. Their mission is to provide world-class education for anyone, anywhere, covering everything from basic math to advanced economics. Their bite-sized lessons and interactive exercises make learning engaging and effective. LinkedIn. Learning helps you advance your career. They offer curated courses to enhance your professional skills and make you more valuable in the workplace. Integrated with LinkedIn, it's a great way to showcase your skills to potential employers. Udemy is like the Wild West of online learning, with a massive library of courses on any subject you can imagine. Whether you want to learn web development, photography, or personal finance, Udemy has you covered. Be sure to read reviews and check the instructor's credentials. If you've ever wanted to learn to code, Codecademy is the place to be. They offer interactive lessons that make learning fun and engaging, covering Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and more. Their hands-on approach means you'll be writing real code from day one, building projects, and gaining skills. MIT OpenCourseWare offers free access to lecture notes, videos, and materials from actual MIT courses. Courses range from engineering and computer science to economics and humanities taught by MIT professors. It's an incredible resource for diving deep into subjects or exploring academia. Harvard Online Learning offers free courses from Harvard University. Their courses span data science, humanities, health, and medicine. Expand your knowledge or advance your career with Harvard Online Learning. Google Digital Garage is your go-to for digital marketing. They offer free courses to help grow your business or career. With Google's expertise, you know you're learning from the best. Microsoft Learn is your go-to resource for free training on all things Microsoft. Master Azure, explore Microsoft 365, or dive into Power BI. Microsoft Learn has you covered. Courses are hands-on and interactive, with opportunities to practice skills and build real-world projects. Allison is a great option for free online courses, focusing on practical skills to help you land your dream job. They offer courses in many fields, from IT and health to business and language learning. Allison provides certificates upon course completion, so you can showcase your skills to potential employers. FutureLearn partners with top universities and organizations to offer diverse, high-quality courses for free. Whether you're into teaching, psychology, creative arts, or more, FutureLearn has it. Courses are engaging and interactive, focusing on social learning and collaboration. OpenLearn is the Open University's platform for free online learning, offering a treasure trove of courses. Whether you're interested in education, history, or the environment, OpenLearn has something for you. Their courses are designed to be accessible and engaging, focusing on lifelong learning. Saylor Academy champions free and open online education, offering a wide range of courses. Dive into business administration, explore computer science, or brush up on economics. Saylor Academy has something for you. Their courses are comprehensive and rigorous, focusing on academic excellence. HubSpot Academy is a must-visit for anyone looking to upskill in marketing, sales, and service. They offer a wide range of free online courses to help you master inbound marketing, generate leads, and close deals. With their focus on practical, actionable advice, you can start implementing what you learn right away. AWS Training and Certification is your gateway to cloud computing. They offer free training resources to help you learn Amazon Web Services, one of the leading cloud platforms. From foundational courses to specialized topics like machine learning, you'll find everything you need to succeed in the cloud. IBM SkillsBuild is a fantastic resource for building in-demand tech skills, completely free of charge. They offer courses in data science, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and professional skills development. Their courses are hands-on and practical, preparing you for the workforce. Stanford Online offers free courses from Stanford University. Their courses span various disciplines, focusing on technology, engineering, and entrepreneurship. Whether exploring algorithms, diving into machine learning, or understanding personal finance, Stanford Online has something to offer. Skillshare is a creative learning platform offering courses taught by industry experts. From illustration to animation, Skillshare has something for you. Courses are hands-on and project-based, focusing on developing your creative skills and portfolio. So there you have it, the top 19 free platforms to master high-income skills in 2025. With so many resources available, there's no excuse not to invest in yourself and your future. Continuous learning is essential for staying ahead in today's evolving job market. Have you tried any of these platforms? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.